Okay, first time trying out Tesla, and now after we are finished, we need to take pictures for every side of the car to basically approve that everything is fine and we can safely finish the drive.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me.
I'm coming to Edinburgh, you Christoph, I come to you.
Hey, you know, hostel experience is checked, so let's go and see the town. The day is going pretty awesome. We just finished the lunch for the first time. All the group, 5 guys, are 4 guys and mother. We all are together after 4 or 5 years, and now we're gonna go to the Edinburgh's castle. So let's try to catch some drone flights.
In Edinburgh, and this is very nice day, very nice waterfall in the background, very nice people laughing, so great day. Bye.
So the first day is over. Good morning. Finally, it was a long day. Okay, now we are waiting for fetch it, and we are planning to go for a hike. So we'll see you up there. Boy, it was a rough night. Okay, see you. Okay, so the update. We actually forgot our drink for today for the hike, so I'm going to the store. He's running after the drink, so it's a proper day, you know. It's a friends weekend together, by the way. And the Edinburgh is so like up and down. It's like if you want something to get, you probably need to climb up somewhere. I'm in the store. I just got the snacks for the kids and some surprises as well. And okay, let's grab water and next place. Okay, I have water. City looks awesome. The day is great. We're sunny, although I'm in a snowboard jacket and shorts. But I'm ready for the hike, and let's go. Up in, I think this is called Arthur's Point or something. I'm not really sure, so here is the right name. And yeah, it's super windy. Everyone is, the kids already in front. I'm here with the VHS, so it's pretty awesome hike. Although you need to take some jacket as well. But let's have some lunch. awesome and ready for a new day. So randomly we decided to go on this tenant beer factory tour. So I'm ready. Here's the group. We are ready to go in and check out this massive factory, how they are basically creating one of the best or maybe one of the most popular beers in Edinburgh. Okay, let's go. Sorry, so better saying in Scotland.
In Scotland.
So one of the best or famous?
The best.
The best beer in all Scotland. So it's pretty impressive and it looks massive. Okay, so when you're on holidays, the days are running very fast. I mean, it's already day 6. We have done a lot of stuff together with Slavics and the rest of the group. So today we are going for another hike. I have no idea what's the name, so I will place it here. So see you there. Let's go, my son. So this is our last day in our Edinburgh trip. We are in this kind of park. I'll show you. Looks awesome. And yeah, that's it. That's it.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right.
And our journey to Edinburgh is over. So we're going back to home. See you next one.